Today I am reviewing the Dell OptiPlex 7070 SFF desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell OptiPlex 7070 small form factor desktop is a powerhouse designed to handle both demanding office workloads and intensive multitasking with remarkable efficiency. At the heart of this machine is the Intel 9th generation 8-core i7-9700 processor, which clocks in at 3.0 GHz and can turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz. This means that whether you're running complex spreadsheets, compiling code, or managing multiple applications simultaneously, the OptiPlex 7070 handles it with ease, delivering smooth performance without lag. Coupled with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, this system ensures that even heavy multitasking sessions remain seamless, allowing you to stay productive and efficient without interruption. One of the standout features of this desktop is its blazing fast 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This high-speed storage solution not only provides ample space for all your essential files, software, and multimedia, but also dramatically reduces boot times and accelerates application loading. This is especially beneficial for users who need instant access to large datasets or frequently switch between software applications, as the SSD ensures a fluid and responsive experience across all tasks. The Dell OptiPlex 7070 also comes pre-installed with Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, which redefines productivity with a modern, user-friendly interface and enhanced security features. Windows 11 Pro brings improved multitasking with features like snap layouts, virtual desktops, and a redesigned start menu, giving you a workspace that adapts to your workflow. For businesses, the Pro Edition ensures advanced security and device management capabilities, making it ideal for office environments where both performance and data protection are paramount. In terms of connectivity and expandability, the OptiPlex 7070 is thoughtfully equipped with a range of ports. It features 5 USB 3.1 ports and 4 USB 2.0 ports, providing flexible connectivity options for external devices, peripherals, and storage solutions. The system also supports dual display setups with 2 display ports, which enhances productivity by allowing multiple applications or windows to be opened simultaneously on separate screens. This makes the OptiPlex 7070 a versatile solution for professionals who require efficient multitasking and screen real estate for their work. Beyond its technical specifications, the OptiPlex 7070 is built with future expansion in mind. The small form factor case is compact, saving valuable desk space. It provides enough room for potential upgrades such as additional RAM, storage, or graphic solutions. This adaptability ensures that your investment remains relevant and powerful even as your computing needs evolve over time. Another practical advantage is the inclusion of a wireless keyboard and mouse, which reduces cable clutter and allows for a cleaner, more organized workspace. The integrated Wi-Fi 6E support ensures fast and reliable wireless connectivity, ideal for high-speed internet tasks, video conferencing, and cloud-based work, further enhancing the overall efficiency of this desktop. Overall, the Dell OptiPlex 7070 SFF desktop offers an exceptional balance of performance, reliability, and flexibility. It is perfectly suited for both professional and personal use, whether in a home office or a corporate environment. With its high-performance processor, expansive RAM, fast SSD storage, modern Windows 11 Pro interface, and rich connectivity options, this desktop provides a productive, responsive, and future-proof computing experience. For anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and compact desktop computer, the Dell OptiPlex 7070 is a compelling choice that delivers on every front.